Welcome to Ramadan with Rama. This is day 3, and today we're making these soft and delicious date cookies. These are perfectly naturally sweet for post-iftar or even for suhoor. The oats and oat flour in this recipe are a great source of fiber to help keep our blood sugar stable. And fun fact about dates, if you eat them in the final weeks of your pregnancy, they can actually help to promote cervical dilation. These cookies can be ready to eat within 20 minutes of starting prepping them, so make them and let me know what you think. Enjoy!